Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Inshallah Aziz. Now we learn first kalma tayyiba. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Now we read it, learn it word by word. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no one worth